Did you know that Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich has been credited with creating more millionaires than any other book? Or that the richest man in Babylon taught timeless financial wisdom nearly a century ago, and it still works today? The best part? You don't need a trust fund or a fancy degree to use these principles. Today we're unpacking the secrets to wealth building from these classics, updated for 2025. Let's dive in. Let's start with The Richest Man in Babylon. One of its core lessons is simple but profound. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. That's the 10% rule. It's not just about saving, it's about creating the habit of paying yourself first. Think of it this way. Imagine you're planting a money tree. Every dollar you save is a seed, but here's the catch. You can't just bury it in the ground. You need to invest it in opportunities that help it grow. In 2025, that could mean contributing to a diversified portfolio or even exploring income-generating tools like fractional real estate or robo-advisors. Now, let's talk about Napoleon Hill's first principle, desire. Hill says, desire is the starting point of all achievement. In plain English, you have to really want it. Vague goals won't cut it. Take a moment and think, what's my number? Is it earning $10,000 a month, paying off your mortgage, retiring by 40? Write it down and make it your screensaver or sticky note, whatever keeps it front and center. The clearer the target, the easier it is to hit. Here's another gem from Hill. Success requires a definite plan. Let me ask you, how many times have you said, I'll start that side hustle, but never took the first step? Hill warns us that wishing for success isn't enough. You need a game plan. For 2025, that means mapping out your financial goals in 90-day chunks. Want to start an e-commerce store? Break it down. Month 1, research niches and find suppliers. Month 2, build a website. Month 3, launch and test ads. Trust me, consistency beats perfection every time. And finally, let's not forget Hill's principle of specialized knowledge. He says knowledge is only potential power. The key is applying what you know to make money. In 2025, specialized knowledge can come from learning to code, mastering AI tools, or even flipping NFTs. Yes, they're still a thing. The point is, pick a skill that aligns with your goals and double down on it. Invest in courses, practice daily, and don't be afraid to fail. All right, how do we apply these timeless principles in today's world? Let's break it down. 1. Desire plus side hustles. If you've been dreaming of financial freedom, start small with a side hustle. Freelance on platforms like Upwork or sell digital products on Etsy. You don't need a massive upfront investment, just the willingness to start. 2. The 10% rule. Plus investments, that 10% you're saving, don't let it sit idle. Consider investing in AI startups or learning how to trade on platforms like Robinhood. 3. Specialized knowledge plus AI. With AI booming, now's the perfect time to upskill. Tools like ChatGPT are revolutionizing industries. Why not leverage them for consulting gigs or content creation? Now it's your turn. Which principle are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your plan, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're ready to level up your wealth game. I post weekly videos with actionable tips to help you crush your goals. These principles have stood the test of time because they work. Whether it's Hill's desire or Babylon's 10% rule, the key is to start now. Don't just listen, take action. And remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. This is Cool, reminding you to keep learning, keep earning, and visit the AImarketingschool.com for more tools to build your financial future. See you next time.